Alrighty, I have a construction update for you guys today on AlpenFury, and at the end of the video, I have non-sped up amazing footage of AlpenFury running today. All the footage in today's video is from today, July 7th, or whenever this video comes out. I don't know when it comes out, if it's July 8th, but this was filmed on July 7th. But heading into the park is patching up a ton of exhaust holes that were cut into the base of the mountain to help with airflow. Obviously, you need good airflow when you're dealing with a launch that is indoors, that is just superheating that entire plot of land. But watching AlpenFury cycle today was absolutely amazing because red shirts, regular crew, were training, checking restraints, and running those cycles. So again, the missing information that we have is how much commissioning is left to do. But AlpenFury's sign has gone up. It is not finished, and I hope there's more to add. I really do. I hope there is more to add. It looks a little plain, and that is in comparison to other ride signs in the park. So when I compare it to Leviathan, Yukon Striker, and Behemoth, it just feels a little plain. But outside of that, there has been more theming added into the station. They've added some cowbells. The vending machines have been added to the queue line. The queue line is nearing completion as well. So that's really exciting. Getting very close to the ride opening, all coming down to how many commissioning cycles are left. Are they done commissioning? Are they not done commissioning? Are they mostly done commissioning? I've heard a couple of things. I've heard they are done commissioning and it's just training. I've heard they're nearing completion of commissioning because it was confirmed to us that Premier had started the commissioning of the ride when Premier was cycling it. So they should technically be pretty far along, if not complete commissioning. And if that's the case, this ride could open as early as Thursday, if all goes well. But we'll have to see. I mean, I guess Media Day invites should go out, and the filming for the commercial should take place, as well as hearing about the event. So I have not heard any details about the event, by the way, for those wondering. Still waiting on Wonderland to give me a new date for the event, which should be any day now. With that being said, as you can see here, they are checking the restraints and dispatching the ride. A very good sign for the ride. It's definitely in that final stages before it opens. So get ready. Get your sick call days ready, guys, because we're all going to be calling in sick to work to go ride this thing the day it opens. But I'll keep you guys as posted as I can. Obviously, follow Amusement Insiders, plural, on Instagram for more up-to-date information if I need to spam an emergency notification that the ride's open. Outside of that, again, just very little work left to do. It's mostly queue line related and a little bit of painting, but the area is looking good. I was expecting more to be super transparent. There is a goat. Hopefully there's going to be more goats that I guess they're going to place on that little entrance into the mountain. But yeah, I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's because I went to Santa's Village and I just started to conversations with the person that has designed a lot of Santa's Village's theming and structures and all that, and I've learned a lot about it. But I know that this project was pretty last minute, but I don't know. I was just expecting more. I'm used to like these grand entrance signs and all that. And I guess I was expecting like a very like colorful building in this area, and it's just a lot of brown. Like the queue line's brown, the structure's brown, the wood's brown, the fencing's brown. It's a lot of brown. I think that's what I have an issue with it, and the supports are brown. So I guess that's where I'm losing like that kind of like that lust. But nonetheless, the ride's going to be absolutely amazing. And wait till you guys see the footage that's about to hit the screen. It's literally about to happen in like 30 seconds. So that's all I have. That's going to be constant cycling. You might see people on the ride starting tomorrow. So if you're at the park tomorrow, keep an eye out. And yeah, thank you so much for watching our construction updates, and stay tuned for more information. Again, follow us on Instagram. Have a good one, guys. Bye. Oh, I forgot this. They've added a service dog area where they can go pee and poop. But yeah, bye.
Bye.